Here's one for the Buick fans, and it is definitely a looker. 1955 Buick Special Riviera two-door. Hardtop, of course, the Riviera referring to a hardtop, which you could have also got a four-door Riviera. 264 nailhead V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. This car is coming out of long-term ownership, 30 plus years. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front. This will make somebody a happy new owner, no doubt about that. Thus find it a nice, good home. That bright work up front. Look at all that chrome in a 55 Buick. Paint is similar to a Stafford blue, I would say, with the Dover white bottom and top. Three-holer, you'll hear the old timers say. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's gonna take you right to our website. And of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. Simple and elegant wheel cover on that steel wheel. Those are Coker radials. Wide white walls. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see this paint is laid on there nicely. Panels nice and straight. And look at the bright work up and down the side of this car. Couple little ripples in it right along there, but nothing too drastic. This car will take home some trophies. Be fun at your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Seat belts in the rear as well as the front have been added, as well as that Pioneer stereo underneath the dash. Otherwise, dash kept looking very stock. We'll get around to that driver's side, check it out a little closer. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and yes, at the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive. Look at the taillight surrounds and all that chrome. Chrome showing very well in the rear too, and you can see this paint, very nice shine to it. No disappointments when taking a look at this one. Brakes are 80% in the front, 65% in the rear. A couple notes from the technician said a little bit of wheel cylinder seat as well as the powertrain. Kind of typical on these older cars that are driven a little bit. If you like these 50s Buicks or just Buicks in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here. If you like classic cars, period, go ahead and subscribe. A lot of fun videos, and videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and you can see up and down this driver's side. Also looks very well. A couple little ripples just in that bright work down the side, but again, it's being awful fussy on this car. It's kind of a blue teal interior, blue gray interior carpeting, seat combination with the white vinyl. Not noticing any rips, tears, or holes. Visor's intact, headliner looks good. I have had that Pioneer aftermarket stereo working. And then of course, one of my favorite things about these old Buicks is we're going to go ahead and turn the ignition on. We're going to go ahead and push this foot feet, and the car starts. You can also see the radio powered up. Nice sounding stereo too, by the way. And this thing runs smooth and is quiet. Get a good look at the dash. I don't know if you can hear that running or not. Give it a little gas. There, could you maybe? Listen to all that door closed. They don't sound like that these days. And listen to this. Sounds incredible. Nice and smooth. That nail head purrs 264 cubic inches. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to get this hood open. I want to show you something else about that too. Now, the hood will stay open on its own, not quite this high, but that little prop rod, custom made by the previous owner, Buick, routed into it. We'll send that along with in case the next owner wants to show this car, so I thought I would display it in the video here. You can probably see it in the still pictures too. Battery disconnect when it's in between drives. There it is. Pretty stock looking engine bay. And what they consider a nailhead V8. Running smooth. What a cool car, 1955 Buick Special 2-door Riviera. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through all the still pictures, over 100 pictures online. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1955 Buick Special that is in very nice condition. Awesome blue on the outside with the white two-tone paint job. This car is an automatic right here on the column, so it's easy for anybody to drive. The styling, again, the styling of the late 50s, this being mid-50s, the same. Looks like you could fly a plane right here with these levers. Some of the coolest styling, I think, to transfer over from planes to cars. Our turn signal indicator is working. Also beautiful in the gauge right there next to the Buick insignia. Our speedometer also working. The oil pressure reading high, that's a good thing. The amps are charging over halfway on the gauge. The temperature about a quarter of the way up from cold. Now the fuel gauge is reading completely full. The factory radio looked great, but down below we have one that works. Sounds very good too. That is a CD player down below the dash. Nice smooth ride. Very little slack in the steering. Comfortable. The upholstery, I would swear, has been replaced. It's very nice. Bench seat up front and in back. Headliner looking great as well. Brakes nice and smooth. Some nice restoration work done on this car. Smooth acceleration. This car idles very nicely right away when you start it. Corners well. Takes the corners very luxuriously. Easy to steer. Very refined for its age, the Buick. From 1955, a Buick Special. Find all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.